Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video, I will show you the live price prediction of Filecoin. What's the price change goes in the Filecoin, what's the high price of Filecoin, and what is the currently change occur in the Filecoin. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel, because IBS Tech channel update you every hour from a new hours from a new change occur in a Filecoin. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Filecoin of the previous last 2 hour friends. First of all, we look the chart analysis of Filecoin. So absolutely a previous hours is a absolutely good change occur in the Filecoin. And if we look the currently situation of Filecoin, so currently they are again ready for a jumping for a big pump. As you can see here, the average change in a Filecoin is about positive 0.89% chance occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Filecoin is about $159.18 is the high price of Filecoin. Absolutely a good price, and that is the last 1 hour price change as in positive. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What change goes in currently in the Filecoin, and what is the currently change occur in the Filecoin. As you can see now on the screen, the Filecoin price change occur in the previous last 1 hour is about positive 1.03% chance occur, and the last 1 hour and the high price of Filecoin is about $159.18 is the high price of Filecoin. As I told you in the start of this video, that's now currently Filecoin again ready for a big explosion. So if you are a holder of Filecoin, so my suggestion for you that hold your Filecoin with the end of this month, because I know the big pumps are coming soon in April, and approximately 10-12 April are the big pumping days of the Filecoin. So wait for their big pumping days and hold your Filecoin with the end of this month. And if you want to buy a Filecoin, so absolutely it's a good time to buy Filecoin and make a good amount of profit in the future. So that's only my suggestion. What's your opinion about Filecoin? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.